Hello guys, it's still a brand new year and still taking a look at various analysis, review of the past year and so on, all right? So I came across an online business news publication where it made a graphical representation of the outcome of an investment of about 100,000, what the current value is after holding on to that investment on various assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Vanguard, S&P 500 ETFs, US dollars, and some Nigerian stocks in the last 1 year, right? Now, the result as displayed on the bar chart is as follows. 100,000 Naira invested January 2024. After 1 year, now checking it in January 2025, states as follows. These are the outcomes. For investment in Bitcoin, 379,579 Naira is the value. Ethereum says 253,430 Naira. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, 214,903 Naira is the outcome. US dollars, 170,132. You know people who say just buy dollars, just buy dollars. And then Dangote Cement, 149,700 Naira. GT Co, 140,700 Naira. And N10 Nigeria, 78,712. That's a loss. Now, in a split second, after reading this publication, one stock jumped into my mind that outrightly outperformed all these assets analyzed above. And I'm going to take a look at this and let you know. Guess which stock? Well, UCAP. You heard me right. United Capital in January 2024 exactly, was selling for around 8 Naira 30 kobo. Now, if you invested 100,000 Naira to buy that particular stock, you would have bought about 12,048 shares. Fast forward to the third quarter of 2024, and the management of the company announced a corporate action that issued a bonus share for every shareholder in the ratio of 2-for-1. What is a bonus again? And people may be wondering, these are the things you can't see on a price list all through the year. Now, they decided to increase their capital base and in the process paid for extra shares from the company's general reserve and then distributed those extra shares in the ratio as announced 2-for-1. That means for every 1 share you own, you get 2 shares extra free. You know what that means? That means your 12,048 shares you bought with 100,000 Naira in January qualifies you for extra 24,096. That's double what you have. Add this bonus to your original stocks owned, meaning your current number of shares is now 36,144 shares without adding anything. The current price of UCAP is now 23 Naira 40 kobo as closed yesterday, the 4th of January, and that investment is now worth 847,000 Naira. That's a whopping 745% profit in 1 year. You know what that means? It means if you invested just 1 million Naira in UCAP in January 2024, that 1 million Naira is now worth 8.4 million Naira, making you a cool profit of 7.4 million Naira. It gets even more interesting by the time you check it against 10 million Naira. Now, with 10 million Naira invested, that investment is now worth 84.5 million Naira. Yes, you heard me right. Giving you a mouth-watering 74.5 million Naira profit in 1 year. Another reason the Nigerian exchange is so powerful in building wealth. What are you waiting for this new year? Make sure you like, share, and follow, especially to those of our fellow Nigerians abroad who are working tirelessly and looking for where to invest their money, because what you are working for now is not enough to take care of you tomorrow. Part of it has to be put somewhere for it to work well enough for you so you can retire early. Make sure you share. Keep following.